Welcome to Logos Eurythmy. In this video we show you step by step how to make Zodiac Scorpio.
Keep your arms alongside your body, the left hand slightly away from the body. This is the gesture that expresses understanding, the mind. It is the thought. It can be very clever, but it doesn't have to be realized. It doesn't have to come to a conclusion. This is the element of the head. Actually, this is the eagle. To Scorpio belongs the letter Z.